My name is Candace Roberts, and today we will be talking about animal testing. Each year, over 100 million animals are used for animal testing all over the world. These animals are injected with things from drugs to simple everyday shampoos. Almost every medicine used by humans was tested on innocent animals for human benefit. Any of you have a pet? Just think if your pet was being tortured and injected with these things. No one wants that, right? Animal testing has become a sole method to testing products and medicines prior to human use. Animal testing must be brought to a stop. To fully understand the terrible act of animal testing, I will first answer what animal testing is exactly. Then I will explain how it affects both animals and us humans. Finally, we will learn how to take steps to stop being animal testing and the alternatives to it. To begin, we will learn about the facts and figures of animal testing. Animal testing is cruel, and there are many things you need to understand. Innocent animals are harmed during testing every day. They have to deal with chemicals and products put on their skin, their eyes, their stomachs, and lungs. According to the website PETAs.org, Animal Testing 101 article, monkeys are addicted to drugs and holes are drilled into their skulls. Sheep and pigs have their skin burned off, and rats have their spinal cords crushed. Tiny mice grow tumors as large as their bodies. Kittens are purposely blinded, and rats are made to suffer seizures. Animal testing isn't even 100% accurate because animals' biological makeup is different from humans, and the results are misleading. Testing is required for certain drugs, vaccines, chemicals, cosmetics, and other products we use on our bodies or to put in our body. Most tests kill over 2,000 animals every time they are used. There are many companies whose products we use on a day-to-day basis that still use animal testing. Here are a few: Crest, Downy, Febreze, Pantene, Vaseline, and Windex. We use Windex every day to clean our windows, whether they're in your car or in your house. And then we use Febreze to make, everything smell good. And then Dawn or Downy we use to clean our clothes or clean our hands or clean our dishes. And next we will visit effects that animal testing has both on animals and humans. Animal testing is cruel and an unnecessary act that negatively affects both animals and humans. In Time magazine article, How Much Does Animal Testing Tell Us? By Laura Blue, a significant point is made. We often hear you can't give aspirin to cats because it's toxic to them, or you shouldn't give chocolate to a dog. Chocolate, which is very safe to humans, is not safe for a dog. Animals are not the best choice for testing because of their biological makeup is different. Like I stated earlier, the animals come from many places such as zoos, compounds, and breeders. Although the animals may be suffering physically, they are also suffering by being taken away from their home environments and families. It's been proven that animals feel pain and emotions as well. It's argued that we benefit because we don't have to be tested on. But most results coming from animals will not be the results we get from humans. According to the article, Ethical and Scientific Considerations Regarding Animal Testing and Research by Hope Ferdowsian and Nancy Beck, recent systematic reviews of treatment for various clinical conditions demonstrate that animal studies have been poorly predictive of human outcomes. So why use animal testing when the results aren't even worth anything? Finally, we will learn how to help put an end to detrimental process of animal testing. If we know the right steps to take, we can help put an end to animal testing once and for all. One thing we can do is buy cruelty-free products. Also, we can invest in cruelty-free companies' stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. We can also join organizations against cruelty of animals such as PETA in an effort to exploit the companies that do test in animals. Lastly, we can write a letter to Congress asking them to reconsider animal testing and help put an end to it. Along with our efforts to put an end to animal testing, it's important to know the alternatives to it. According to the article, Human Skin Equivalent as an Alternative to Animal Testing by Heike Mitching and Michelle Weimer, the 3D skin equivalent can be viewed as physiological comparable to the natural skin and therefore a suitable alternative for animal testing. By learning all about cruelty of animal testing, it is time for us to make a change and put a stop to it once and for all. Now that we know how cruel and unnecessary animal testing is, we can take steps to putting an end to it. We now know what animal testing is, how it affects animals and us. What can we do to stop it? If you can imagine seeing your innocent pet getting tortured day in and day out, why should any other animal have to do the same? Thank you.